We've already gone through half of the OS top 10 list already. Let's go through the other half as well. So up at number 6 on this list is security misconfiguration. And this is a very commonly seen issue. It's the result of insecure default configurations, incomplete configurations, open cloud storage access, improperly configured HTTP headers, and verbose error messages containing sensitive information. So all the operating systems, frameworks, libraries, and applications must be securely configured, and they must also be patched or upgraded in a timely fashion. So security misconfiguration might lead to an issue like a default password being used somewhere, which of course is very easy to crack, or it might lead to an application showing a lot of error messages and displaying additional data about the application or leaking data about the internal web application to a user through error messages. So if you are implementing a library, a framework, or any particular kind of technology on your system, you need to make sure that it is properly configured and that you've taken all the necessary steps to ensure that your systems, your devices, your data is secure and that your services are configured properly.